In today's video, we will learn how to draw a mango step by step. Here I took the pencil is 4H. If you want, you can use 4B or HB pencil also. Now let's begin the drawing. I start from the top and draw an upper part of the mango. Then I slowly bring the line down and curve it back upward to complete the shape. As you can see, draw a mango is actually very simple. Now I draw a stem of the mango. I make the stem a little longer so that there is enough space to add a leaf. Along with the mango, I also shown how to draw a leaf. One common mistake children often make it when they draw a mango leaf, they usually make it small, like a jackfruit leaf. However, mango leaf is actually long and narrow, so it should not be drawn small. With that, the basic mango drawing is complete. When learning to draw, using freehand is extremely important. If children do not practice freehand drawing, they will not truly develop their drawing skills. Drawing with a scale or other tools does not help them learn the natural flow of lines. That's why practicing freehand drawing is essential for children who want to improve their artwork. Now I am outlining this mango with black sign pen. When children outline their drawing with black, it is clearly shows their boundaries and helps them understand that where to color. These prevent the color from going outside the lines. So it is a good practice to outline fast and then begin coloring. Now we will move on the coloring. There are a few simple ways to color. You can color with mango using just one color, or you can use several colors to make it look more attractive and realistic. Typically, yellow and green are the main colors using when coloring a mango. First, I enter mango with yellow. Then I create a shadow effect. I add a little red color toward the bottom. After that, I blend in some green so that is create a natural shadow. Here also I using orange color, and after finish this all color blending, you can see it look so nice. Coloring should always be done slowly and patiently. Here I begin by coloring the upper part with yellow. Then I add green over the yellow, gently blending it upward so that the color looks natural near the stem. On the right side of the mango, the shading should be blended slightly toward the right. If you are working on the left side, you blend the color slightly toward the left. These blending techniques create a more natural and realistic appearance. Here I also leave a small white area on one side of the mango, created a highlight. These help the drawing look more brighter and more realistic. Now I will color the leaf and the stem in the same way I colored the mango. As you can see, I am using different shades of the green for the leaf. If we use only one shade of green, it does not look very attractive. That's why using multiple shades of green makes the leaf look more natural and beautiful. By blending different green tones, the drawing becomes more lively and realistic. This is the simple technique that children can follow to improve their coloring.